think you should be.
What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video we are going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as a commenter's top rated altcoin for review. To jump right into it, let's check out the cryptocurrency market and just get a quick overview of what the market is looking like. So far, just by refreshing the page, I'm noticing a lot of downtrend in the market right now. So we do seem to be having a down day. Market cap is still $466 billion. Bitcoin at 11,596, making moves. Litecoin at 211, down 0.2. Really not much is changing. Ethereum 853. But what I really wanted to talk about is Litecoin. And something that I've noticed and may possibly be another expected breakout. I want to know what you guys think, whether or not you've been paying attention to this trend, and whether or not you think it's going to break out. So basically what I've done is I've drawn a nice symmetrical triangle here. Started all the way back in February 14th, and it is currently March, I believe, March 5th. You notice we started all the way back February 15th. And we did have a few pops, a few unexpected pops. If I go to the daily, I believe those will disappear. For the most part, yes. You'll notice how, zooming in on the daily chart, those have disappeared. I try not to count the wicks as a part of the symmetrical triangle, but you'll notice we have a strong downtrend, so we're setting lower highs, but we also have a strong uptrend setting higher lows. Another thing to pay attention to is you'll notice how we are currently channeling right in here. And usually what happens is when we start setting these kind of normal, not much trend, not much trade volume is happening, kind of stay in the same route. You'll notice how we've had these huge dips, these huge spikes in a day. But now they're kind of just staying pretty darn close. You'll notice we did have these huge upward candles. But now this candle right here, not much volume is being moved. We're not seeing the price move. That is an indicator that something is going to happen. Whether we break up or down, who knows? You'll notice that pretty much this 212 line is the big resistance that Litecoin is facing right now. Literally goes right through this symmetrical triangle. If I go back to the 4 hour, you'll notice that we are slowly but surely coming into this triangle right here. Very carefully, we are bouncing off the middle moving average. You'll notice on the RSI, we are trading average 50. So potential for a breakout, also potential for a break lower down. Usually on symmetrical triangles, we see a pop upwards. So I am anticipating a run like that. Nice to see that we are building a lot of support here, because you'll notice on the last run we went all the way from like $1.50 all the way up to, I want to say, 240. That's not something that's maintainable. That will happen and then boom, we go right down after, and that's what pretty much happened. But you'll notice we have built a lot of support here, so I am anticipating if we do pop something like that, we may see a huge run in Litecoin soon. Let's try and calculate what this dip may entail. You'll notice we did have a high point of 240 and a low of 190. So that is about a $50 run. And if we're trading right at 212, I would expect to see a pop to go somewhere. I'm going to try and draw it out in this range right here. Now that might look a little big, but that's a 235 to a 260. Yeah, I'm going to make that smaller just for you guys to look at. Sorry, I don't know why it's not letting me delete. Going to delete this. There we go. And I want to say maybe a 250 to a 260 range. Somewhere maybe here we can expect a run. Calculating. Oh my god. Did not mean to do that. Sorry. Calculating a run based on how low and how high this symmetrical triangle is, we can see a burst of around $50, $60 up to here. That would be a very nice thing for Litecoin to then start building support here. You'll notice this is a huge area of support we have just built, this 212. So if we can pop above that, which I am anticipating, that will be a very nice run. Now to see us trading above the middle moving average is another nice sign. So a lot of indicators are showing that we could have a nice pop very soon, maybe by tomorrow, if not the next day, the latest, we should see some type of move within Litecoin. So I'm very, very, very happy, reluctant to be having some crypto of Litecoin back when we were lower down here, bought in on some nice spikes. So definitely anticipating a run in Litecoin. Still a chance for it to go down. So like I say in most of my videos, I'm not a financial advisor, so what you do with your money is your business. I'm just trying to help and point out what I can read and what I plan on doing in crypto. So I'm very happy to have a nice kind of load of Litecoin right now. If we do see a nice pop, I'm probably going to sell off there, take my profits, and then buy back in when we dip lower. But definitely an expected run in Litecoin. Definitely pay attention to Litecoin right now. You'll notice that we're setting lower lows, and now we're setting lower highs. So it's kind of slowly crunching down to an area that's going to burst. Whether that's down or up, we do not know. But I'm probably going to say it's about 80-20, no, 70-30 that we go up right now. So definitely pay attention to Litecoin. As for Bitcoin, making very beautiful moves. You'll notice we finally broke through the 11,460 area range. We are still continuing on this uptrend, acting as resistance right now, but very nice play in Bitcoin. If you guys bought in when we went down to 94, good job, good job. But crypto is looking pretty nice. Good to see the market slowly going back to where we were, where we left off before. So definitely pay attention to Bitcoin too. Honestly, I don't see much trades being made in Bitcoin. You'll notice the big problem is breaking above this area here. I'm probably just going to move this line up ever so slightly to show you where we kind of need to break in order to buy in at. If we break around 11,760, I would say is a good time. Basically anywhere getting above this last run. This is where we could not break through. We fell, so we're now currently retesting that area again. Hopefully we can break through that. Everything's looking good. The middle moving average, the green band, is higher. So definitely pay attention to Bitcoin as well. What another nice thing to notice is on the daily, we are finally crossing over. The green band is finally crossing over the red band, which is a good indicator that we should start to see some good uptrending days very soon within Bitcoin. Moving on to Ethereum, you will notice again this triangle that I drew. Whether you guys have bought, I don't know. I know some of you commenters commented that you did buy in. I still think it's a good buy. Like I said, this area right here was a good buy zone, but you'll notice the issue right now is whether or not we can bust through this 874, acting as huge resistance for Ethereum. So basically what I'm looking for is if we can pop through 876, I would say that's a good buy zone to buy in at. But right now, this middle moving average is acting as a strong resistance and putting a lot of downwards pressure. You'll notice how many times we have retested that middle moving average. Hopefully, the last test will be able to pop through. But usually, when we test so many times, it's an indicator that the bears are winning and we are going to go down. But stay strong. We are only trading at 44 on the RSI, so that's a good indicator that we should be able to go up with that too. Now, moving on, I would like to pick a random commenter's choice in altcoin to review. Let's just get that loaded up. Let's see here. Let's choose who will be the lucky person. Let's do Cole Wheeler said Neo, so we're going to review Neo again. I believe I've done it in the past, not sure, but let's just do Neo. So shout out to you, Cole Wheeler. We are going to do your coin. If you'd like to get a review in one of my videos, please leave a comment below telling me what is your favorite altcoin, or an altcoin on the rise, or just you want me to review it. whatever it is, leave a comment below and I will take a look at it. So, sorry, not Neo to Litecoin, Neo to BTC. Cool. Looking at Neo to BTC on Bittrex, very interesting downtrend right now. Not really sure where Neo is playing out. Let's look on the daily chart. Check out what exactly is happening. Okay, that is a much better view. So, let's draw some lines of resistance and some lines of support. First, let's just point it out. One right here, where we're retesting right now, is a good line of support. Another one will be right here. There are some lower, like right here and right here. I guess I'll draw one more just for the heck of it. Right around here, you'll notice how many times we've retested that. And there is a slight uptrend within Neo. It would probably be something like that we did break through. So this is an old trend right here. Yeah. Right like that. An old trend that you saw, we did pop through. Now there's a lot of downwards pressure. But this does seem like a good opportunity to put money into Neo, only because on the daily chart, we're finally coming back down to retest this middle moving average. We are still green, and the red band is trading above the green band is trading above the red band, so a good indicator in that regard. But you guys notice it just fell right down to retest this line of support and the middle moving average. So based on that, I might actually buy into some Neo right now, because that is a really good opportunity to buy in on a dip like that. I really don't think we're going to go lower. It is possible, but definitely a nice look. Thank you, Cole Wheeler, for the coin, the altcoin review. That is an very nice play on Neo, so a good time to buy in, I would say. Other than that, please like, comment, and subscribe to the page to see more video and content like this. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.